So, the program that I usually use to show my face to you all, Absolute Terrapin is refusing to launch today. So that sucks. However, today's video is Rainbow Six Siege, but if I die, the video ends. I'm really bad at this game, so we're not making it through a round. I'ma be honest with you, there's no way this video lasts longer than 5 minutes. Unless we spend 4 minutes loading into a match. I'ma keep it real with you guys. That is absolutely how this is going to go. So, I have elected to do Rainbow Six Siege, but if I die, the video ends, because of the fact that I want to get better at this game. So, I gotta get good. So if I die, the video ends. So yeah. Okay. Banning. Don't fucking ban IQ. For the love of God, don't ban IQ. She's the only player I can play. I've never played unranked before. I literally just unlocked this game mode. So that's fine. I want to play her, but I don't have her yet, so that's fine. I'm fine. I don't care. I don't know enough about any of these characters. I am so bad at this game, it's ridiculous. IQ is the main character I play, so no one has successfully banned. I don't know enough to know what to ban or not ban, so I'm just gonna not vote here, which is no ban I assume. Donkebi, I think, is how you pronounce it? Donkebi? I don't know. I can't pronounce names in this game. But yeah, oh. Yeah, this match is not gonna make it past the 3-minute mark before I die. So, post in the comments how long you think the match itself is gonna last. How long is round 1 gonna last? Because if I die in round 1, it's over. Video over. Thank God I have IQ. Okay. Now, I'm not claiming to be good at IQ at all. I just claim that I play IQ. Oh God, this is gonna go so terribly. So terribly. Oh my God, why did I do this? Man, I wish my model fucking wanted to run today, but yeah, she doesn't, and I have to fucking figure that out. And it's a nightmare every time 3TN, or not 3TN, I wish it was using that, but not what I'm using most of the time. But yeah, I am currently running the Magic Mirror, and it throws hissy fits sometimes. Today is one of those days. Absolutely nothing here. Another problem. I've never played this map in my life. Maybe, no wait, that's a lie. I've played this map once. Exactly once. Well, we don't know where a bomb is, so. Try and fight it with IQ. I trust my teammate knows better than I do, so I'm gonna come up to the roof. Find a bomb. Good. Back, okay. Okay, then I found bomb A as well. Down. Back. Okay, that's not rappelling down. Apparently I can't rappel down. Why you can rappel up but not down, I have no idea. Oh heck. God, I'm so bad at this game, Jesus Christ. that me? Is that a teammate? Who is that? Who the fuck is that shadow? Okay. See, I tried to ADS them, but no. No. I don't know. If you go frame by frame, you'll see I fucking tried my best ADS. Well, video's over. God damn it. Fuck me.